Hello everyone, welcome to Inzara's YouTube channel. Today, let us explore our latest product, Flight Risk Management Google Sheet template. In this video, we will look at what is flight risk analysis, how our template works, and its benefits. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what is flight risk analysis and why is it crucial for HR professionals across organizations. Flight risk analysis refers to the process of identifying employees who are at a high risk of leaving the organization. By identifying critical flight risk employees, HRs can take proactive retention measures to retain high performing employees and abate productivity loss. This will also help save costs for hiring new talent and their subsequent training. Now, let us see how Inzera's flight risk management template will help you achieve this. To analyze flight risk, we must understand the probability of an employee leaving the organization. Along with this, another important factor to consider is the impact of an employee leaving the organization. Our template employs the widely recognized 9-box grid method based on these two key factors. Let us see how. Once you open the template in the settings sheet, this is where you can customize the flight risk assessment grid settings, that is, the access level for both probability and impact of leaving. Along with this, you can also customize each of the grids and their descriptions to suit your needs. In the employee data sheet, enter all the relevant employee information. Along with this, also enter the probability of that particular employee leaving the company and the impact of their loss. For example, an entry-level employee might not have a crucial skill set, thus their leaving might not create a huge impact in their department or for the organization. Once the access are given, the template automatically calculates which grid the employee falls under in the grid box column given here. Once all the data is entered, the flight risk assessment matrix is automatically populated. View the 9-box visualization for flight risk management at a glance. This helps you get an instant view of the employees who are at immediate flight risk, that is, the critical flight risk employees, and take mitigatory steps, while also developing a plan of action for those who might get under the critical flight risk category, that is, the employees in the impactful exits or those under focused retention grids. You can also view the percentage of employees in each grid, and this is easier to see the composition of employees in your organization. This visual here allows us to see employee names and the count as well in each of the grids. On top, if you need to get a list of employees under one grid, use the drop down here for the same. With this template, proactively identify flight risk employees and take appropriate actions to improve retention. Empower your HR team to implement targeted strategies such as personalized development plans, mentoring programs, or engaging initiatives to boost employee satisfaction based on the insights from the flight risk matrix. Visit the link in the description below to buy now. Be sure to check out our website for a wide range of Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Power BI templates across various categories. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video soon.